In this quick tutorial, I will show you how you can open up your Subaru Outback key fob and change the battery yourself at home. It's really easy to do. All you will need is one of these CR2032 batteries. If you'd like to pick one of these up online, I will leave a link down in the description to get one on Amazon for just a couple of bucks. And the only other thing you will need is just a regular flathead screwdriver. So the first step here is to turn the device over, hold down this silver button, and you will remove your internal key. As you can see, I'm missing the key, but you will just remove that key, set it to the side, and then we can turn our attention in here. See, this is the keyhole. Right above that, there's a smaller slot, a little indentation that runs parallel to it. We're going to insert our flathead screwdriver right into there and just give a gentle twist. And you can see we've started to create a little separation here. We've started to open up the device. So we can now just put our flathead into that little opening, twist until the back pops off. Now I'm going to remove this little part here. This is the circuit board and the battery. I'm just going to hold it from the sides as to not touch too much of what's going on back there. And now if you look up here, there's the battery, and then we have the, between the battery and the black plastic here, we're just going to insert the corner of our flathead screwdriver and just apply kind of a gradual pressure. Don't force it in there, but you're just wiggling and pushing. And you will feel that it gets under the battery, and from there the battery will just pop right out. Now when we are taking our CR2032 battery, make sure the positive side, let me just double check that here. Yes, the positive side does go face up, so this text, this information here will be visible, and you will just put it in like that, slide it down towards the bottom of this device, and then click in the top, and it will just sit in there nicely. You can take the back of the device here, and you see that little icon, it's like a battery icon. We're actually just going to put the battery right on top of that. And now carefully holding this piece, we're going to put it back together. You don't want to turn this thing upside down, or this little rubber component will fall out, and the buttons will fall out as well. Kind of annoying to put them back in. So just hold the two halves together, just gently put them together, click it all back, and you can put your key back in there, check that it's all working, make sure that light comes on. That means your battery is charged and everything has been put together correctly. And that means you are all set and good to go. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, you can let me know down in the comment section, or just by giving this video a like. And if you ever need help changing the battery in any of your key fobs for any make or model, you can check our videos here on YouTube or visit us at fobbattery.com.